He's the president of Sonic America's Drive-In. But in this situation, Cliff Hudson is a pool aficionado. To the Boys and Girls Club kids, anyway.
The kids are delightful because the script's not altogether written for them, you know, and they have kind of a much more wide open view of the world and things.
What they don't know is where Cliff learned to play pool while in elementary school, which made his dad feel at ease.
It gave him a little point of concern until he realized it was the boys' club that I learned to do that.
Cliff says the Boys and Girls Clubs taught him great principles.
We had an introduction to the boys' club when I was in second grade. We went over there and ran races in the gymnasium and so on. And I can remember today that the kid who won the race was given a Hostess cupcake. And remember that today. And I also remember that I came in second, which is tough.
He says learning to play well with others is a great lesson for life.
We work with operators across the country. We do business in 44 states. And our objective is to get them to play well with us, and they hope the same is true in reverse.
That's why Sonic invests in Boys and Girls Club's Power Hour, a homework tutoring program, one of many character, leadership, and education programs the clubs offer.
I think anyone looking at supporting Boys and Girls Club is looking at strengthening the foundation of our community today and strengthening the quality of our community in the future.
Thank you, Sonic, for your commitment to the Boys and Girls Clubs of Oklahoma County and the community as a whole.